In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can reverse some particular parts of your video when you're editing them on CapCut. It's very simple and easy. You see a lot of video editors do it. It's simple doing that on CapCut. Let me show you guys how to do this. It's simple. So just add the video like this. So add it and then you add it to your track here. So let's say I want to reverse this side of my video. So you need to choose the side you want to reverse and then you split it. So Ctrl+B or use this. So I select this side here. And now a small part, so when you're reversing, you don't need to reverse a longer part. You get it? Good. And I split the other side too. Now let me come here. You can see two splits here. Let me put my cursor here. You can see the small part I've chosen. So now I want to reverse it. You get it? So when the video is playing and it reaches this small pattern, it's going to reverse itself. Let me show you guys how to do this. Now let me bring it here. Let me select my part that I want to reverse, and then you can see the reverse here. I tap on that and it's going to take some time to load, so it's reversing that part here. So now let's wait a bit. The reverse is completed. Our long wait is over. Now let me play it and show you guys how it's going to look like. So now let me bring the cursor forward a bit, and now let me try playing the video. So good, you can see it has been reversed. Now to see whether it's been reversed is this. You can see the what do we call it, the text on the video. Look at something. You see normally it's a typewriter, so we write from left to right, but since the video has been reversed, it's going to move from this side to this side like an Arabic. Normally English we write from this side to this side. Now let me play the video and show you guys. So good, you can see it's moving from this side to this side. Now let me move to the portion that I've reversed. Let me bring it back and let me play it and look at something. You can see, so you can see it's writing from this side to this side, rather at the reversed portion. It's going to write from this side to this side. So that's it on how you can reverse a part of your video on CapCut. So if it was to be like a video that someone is moving, the person is going to reverse from this side to this side. It's not going to move from this side to this side. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.